In this short tutorial, we will learn how to predict what direction is equilibrium shifted to based on pKa values. In any reaction of equilibrium, the first thing to do is to identify acid and a base on each side, left or reactant side and right product side. So what is an acid? Acid is by definition a proton donor. So in this reaction, acid on the left side is this species, acetic acid, and Cl- is a base. On the right side, HCl is an acid because it is a proton donor, while acetate ion is a base. Next thing to do is to find out pKa's for acids on each side. We will find those values in pKa chart. We will always use the chart given in your book, and this chart will be provided on the exam. To make things easier, do not look into this column that says conjugate base. Just look into acids column. Acetic acid is right here and the value is 4.75. pKa for HCl is listed as -7. Now let's go back to our reaction of equilibrium. We found pKa values for acids to be 4.7 here and -7 here. Higher pKa means it is a weaker acid and the equilibrium is shifted towards that side, so we will write the arrow pointing in that direction. Equilibrium is therefore shifted towards the reactant side. Let's do another example. The first thing to do is to identify the acid on each side. As we said, acid is a proton donor, so on the left that is this species here, and on the right that is ammonia, NH3. To find the pKa's, we will again turn to the pKa chart. Now, it will take some practice to be able to identify the correct functional group. Please remember, you will not be able to find all organic molecules in this chart. What you are looking for is a certain functional group. In this reaction, we have a protonated ketone, so the compound we are looking for is right here. Protonated acetone, which of course is a ketone. The pKa value is -2.9. The acid on the right side is ammonia, NH3, and the value is 38. Let's add those values we found from the pKa chart and predict where the equilibrium is shifted to. We said earlier that the higher pKa number indicates a weaker acid and that the equilibrium is always shifted towards that side with a compound that has higher pKa number.